Good morning guys, pero sobrang late morning na. Mag-vlog tayo today kasi ang tagal ko hindi na-vlog guys. Sorry kung nawala ako ng matagal. First time ko yata mag-upload ng, hindi nakapag-upload ng matagal na matagal. Anyway, naglinis ako ng bahay, di ba? Spring clean. What you got, baby? He's making a mess in the kitchen.
You're going to complain about.
Talaga naman si Anthony. Why cannot do it outside, babe?
Well, I don't have a sink. I don't have hot water. Only stainless steel.
Kalak ka na naman.
I'll clean it up.
Yeah, right. Tapos na ako
Well, it's spotless.
Yeah. Nisak sa'yo, babe. Anyway, pakita ko sa inyo yung bahay, guys. Kasi 2 weeks ko itong nilinis. Baliktad ko kayo. Good morning guys, pero sobrang late morning na. Mag-vlog tayo today kasi ang tagal ko hindi na-vlog guys. Sorry kung nawala ako ng matagal. First time ko yata mag-upload ng, hindi nakapag-upload ng matagal na matagal. Anyway, naglinis ako ng bahay, di ba? Spring clean. What you got, baby? He's making a mess in the kitchen.
You're going to complain about.
Talaga naman si Anthony. Why cannot do it outside, babe?
Well, I don't have a sink. I don't have hot water. Only stainless steel.
Kalak ka na naman.
I'll clean it up.
Yeah, right. Tapos na ako
Well, it's spotless.
Yeah. Nisak sa'yo, babe. Anyway, pakita ko sa inyo yung bahay, guys. Kasi 2 weeks ko itong nilinis. Baliktad ko kayo. Okay, so ready na yung ating bedroom dito for the bisita dyan. Yan yung kanilang isang room at saka itong isang room. Ready na din yan. Anong pinaggagawa ng asawa ko? Nagkakala talaga siya, babe. Yun yung table, di ba, na binili natin. No? Ay, table, yung chair. Nalinis na yan. So, mag-vacuum pa ako at saka mag-mop. Nag-Christmas tree na din ako, guys. Ayan, hinugasan ko yan. Tapos, ito, pinalinis namin to guys, kasi wala na akong time. And sobrang pagod na ako. Kasi 2 weeks akong nag-kuskus ng bahay. As in, buong bahay guys ha. Walang area na hindi ko kinuskus, kahit yung doon sa taas, kahit yung mga butas na yan.
Are we going?
Yeah.
Now?
If you're not finished making mess.
No, it's got to sit there until we get back.
Yan. So, ginawa ko na din yung Christmas tree ko. Kasi nilinis ko na yan. Yung bar. Lahat nalinis na guys. Yung laundry. Nalinis ko na din tong laundry. Nagkakalat dyan si Tony, di ba? Inilinis ko na yan. Hindi ko alam bakit siya nagkakalat dyan. But yun yung laundry. Malinis na. O, di ba? Nag-tour ulit ng bahay. Yung, ano pa ba? Yung bedrooms. Yung bedroom namin. Did you eat?
Oh, I've eaten the chicken. Yeah, they were quite big. Let's get me going.
Okay, what else we have? And eat?
Oh, you're eating the food court. You haven't mentioned if you got a sandwich, you said?
You said Subway.
Oh, Subway. No, I just said sandwich. Subway's a good idea.
Yeah. Anyway, dito na lang. Ayusin ko pa yan. Tapos dito yung aking yung vacuum ko. Kasi nga, ditong part, na-vacuum ko na ng konti, pero hindi pa totally. Tapos, ito na lang yung area na need i-map. Yan. Wait lang guys. Nagkakalat talaga si Anthony ng aking kitchen. At yung labas pala nakalimutan ko. Tignan nyo yung window. Pwedeng manalamin, girl. Grabe yung kuskus ko dyan. Kahit na yung mga dulo dyan, yung loob niyan, kinuskus ko talaga yan guys ng bonggang-bongga. But yun na yung ating barbecue area. Ready na siya para sa Saturday kasi may family barbecue tayo. And tomorrow is darating na yung bisita. Yan, tignan nyo. I will go to the cupboard and the floor. Bahala ka dyan, ikaw maglinis niya. Anyway, kuha ka ng shopping bag. Yep. So you don't need anything that I would not remember, yeah?
No, if I can get some chlorine strips, but I don't know if I'm going to get those.
Where are you gonna get those?
Well, I'm not going to Bunnings, and that's the guaranteed place.
Bunnings?
Possibly in the supermarket, they have a few little things like that.
Yeah, okay. Alright, let's go then.
Probably not.
Let's go. Go. Let's go. Oh my God, itong damit ko na to guys. Gamit ko na to long time ago. Hong Kong days pa. So, that's maybe 10 years, 12 years na itong damit na to. Ay nako.
Yeah, slippers on.
Walang tama today, girl.
I thought you were wearing those.
That's the house sleepers. Oh, I need to get that one. Need to get house sleepers pala. Change that one kasi ang dumi na. But yeah, see, malinis na ba? Oh. Maganda yung weather today, guys. Sobrang warm niya. So, diba, nagkakalat talaga yung asawa ko, guys. Siya na talaga yung nagkakalat. Okay. Tapos na akong magkalat. Malinis na eh. Kinalat na niya. Dami niyang Nurofen. Wait lang. But yeah, so, wala ako ng 2 weeks. Walang vlog, walang upload. Kasi guys, yun nga yung ginawa ko for the whole 2 weeks. Naglinis ako ng buong bahay. Oh my God, sobrang sakit ng katawan ko guys. As in, yung mahabang oras. Gano'n po kalaki yung bahay namin? Tanong ko kay Tony. Hindi man ito, babe. It's not the right one. Hindi man ito yung Nurofen na binibigay ko. Probably the same effect. Who knows? But, yeah, tas may mga, alam nyo ba, yung nangyari, guys. Ang dami ko baby hair. Dapat si Tony, aalis siya for a week. Hindi siya nakaalis, guys, kasi sobrang sumakit yung likod niya. Kasi, di ba, naglinis kami ng labas at saka ng garden.
Every time I walk into a toilet, I need to change the toilet.
It's not the right one, but it would be the same effect, you think?
What do you mean it's not the right one?
The one I gave you is the gel one.
These are gels.
No, it's
I
not.
told her to get gels.
Babe. It has pictures. Oh, that's not the right one.
I told her I want gels. The lady got them out for me.
You cannot get it yourself?
Oh, I just thought she was doing nothing. You sure they're not gels in there?
No.
No.
I'll show you.
What do you want me to do?
Do what? I can get it for you. It's just in the supermarket. See?
I said gels. It's got tablets on.
It's
Yeah, I can
stubborn.
take those. We'll just buy a box of those.
Yeah. Not sure if the same would this have the same effect in it. Anyway, yun nga. So, sumakit yung likod niya ng bongga-bongga.
My back's been a miracle.
Yun nga yung bakit. Yeah. He missed the golf tournament. Ng sobra. Tagay, pakita ko sa inyo yung clean. Go! I'm vlogging. Yun nga. Sabi ko sa inyo, pwede talaga manalamin sa mirror. Pwede na maging mirror tong ating sa linis. Upside, as in, buong linis. Anyway, Yeah, hindi siya nakaalis kasi yung likod niya sobrang sakit. Tapos, ang init din today. So, yun, hindi siya nakaalis. Tapos, yung may problema siya sa kanyang puso, guys. So, kailangan pa namin yung, ano niya ba, weird yung kanyang heartbeat. So, yun din yung reason kaya hindi siya na umalis. Natakot siyang umalis. But meron kami ng kikitain namin yung doctor niya. Kaya, yeah. Basta yun. Anyway, yun yung mga update. Shopping today kasi yung para sa hindi naman ako magluluto, guys, pero kailangan namin ng para sa Sabado kasi may family dinner na, ay family lunch pala. Yeah, so may family lunch kami, so yun yung basically kukunin namin today. Pero gutom na ako, kakain muna kami siguro. And what else happening, babe? What's your update?
Well, I've still got a heartbeat, so that's good.
Yeah. So, meron siyang doctors in a month. So, hindi kami magtatagal sa New Zealand kasi meron siyang doktor. Dapat kasi, guys, matagal kami sa New Zealand eh. Kaso, hindi na lang. Change plan na lang. And, you're back. Miraculously got better the day after everything's finished.
Well, it's fantastic. I know you think I'll just be but I can assure you
I didn't really care, baby. I didn't mind.
I wouldn't give up on a golf trip to New Zealand just to fake it. I wasn't going to have to do the house anyway, was I?
No, you
Because I
didn't
was
have.
going to be in New Zealand.
Well, Monday, yes. It's already Thursday. But you've been doing the outside.
Working outside and doing
Yes.
this stuff.
And now he's making mess of my cleaning.
Oh, I've got to clean everything.
I have to clean the kitchen. You gotta clean the kitchen. Pero hindi, guys, okay lang naman talaga. And I've been, yeah, working hard sa linis ng bahay. But now, it's the start of bakasyon. Holiday na. It's the start of a holiday.
They're twins or what?
Maybe. Or they just sort of like twinning.
Yeah, I think so. I think it's an accident. He
Accident.
measured at the gate and said, "Oh my God, you look like me."
Yeah, so start, hindi tayo magluluto, hindi tayo, basta. Kakain muna tayo, guys, kasi medyo malaki yung shopping natin. Yes. Salad muna ako, guys. Dito tayo sunta. Si Tony, hanap ng kanyang sandwich. But anyway. Gutom na ako, guys. But ito yung ating salad. Yes! Kain tayo. Hintay ko si Tony. Wala pa siya. Sana mahanap niya ako. No? Mahanap niya ako sa maliit lang. Waiting pa siya. Kain tayo muna kasi bago mag-groceries. Bili tayo kamatis dito. Kamatis lang talaga yung maganda dito. Ang gusto ni Tony dito. So, yun lang yung bibili natin dito. Tapos, balik tayo sa Drake's after. Now, it's only tomorrow's we're getting, yeah? Naman to kasama yung shopping. Tapos na kami dito, guys. Bacon sausage. Oh, your sausage pa. It was beef.
Barbecue sausage
Beef.
and
Oh, you're getting two?
I'll just get a couple of Italians.
Favorite area ni Tony?
Well, there's quite a few biscuits in them, and they're
Yeah.
not chopped within the clock.
Oh yeah, where's the chocolate? I get this one pala. Ito na lang. That's the one I put na lang on my ano. Walang chocolate. Kaya pa ba, babe? Dami ah.
Sure, in that bag out here. Maybe we should bring it forward.
I did. Oh, use the trolley. Oh, they have mops as well.
Is it?
They did. Tissue. Oh, dito. Oh. Okay. Tissue tayo. Chocolate? Yeah. Yan na guys ang ating trolley. Para yan lahat sa bisita guys. Hindi pa kami kakain dito sa bahay ah. Isang kainan lang yan sa bahay. Isang kainan lang yan sa bahay. The rest is kain sa labas. But yeah, madami pa rin kami binili. Ay. Ice cream pala tayo.
Get those in the freezer pretty quick.
Oh yeah.
Oh, they're ready to come with these groceries.
Tapos na tayo mag-groceries. Woohoo! Finally!
Right. Backyard by 3.
Backyard na lang. Ako, front yard. Tapos, map na lang ng floor. Tapos, tingin-tingin ko ano pa yung mga yung mag touch up. Yun na lang guys. Anyway, tapos na tayo mag-shopping. Pero hindi ka ako magluluto guys. Mostly kakain kami talaga sa labas. So, okay na yun. Okay na. So, yeah. Ang init today. What's the temperature, babe?
31 apparently.
31.
I don't know how good this thermometer is.
Pero medyo mahangin. So, struggle is real tayo sa dress natin na lumilipad, no? Meron pa guys. Bahay na tayo pero meron pa kaming pins kinukuha. So, balikan niyo. Abiga, sobrang bigat. Aw, sakit sa kawan. Aray. No, kailangan may put away lahat to. Ang dami pala. Shucks. Oh. Okay. Okay. Put away tayo habang ito ano maglinis sa labas. Wala nang space. Walang space ang bench. Okay. Ano ba? I need to get the dessert right away. Put it in the fridge. Kasi sobrang init.
I've got the thermometer, I think, actually. Just cooling down.
Cooling down. Sakit na likod ko ha. Ow.
Well,
I cannot find the dessert.
yeah, ice creams. I thought I could see them as I was walking.
Ito nga, di at the bottom. Oh, at the bottom. Kasi mainit. And yung ice cream is tutunan. sobrang inaantok ako pero hindi ako nakatulog. Naglinis ako sa labas. And humiga ako saglit pero, you know, ano ba tong buhok ko? Bruha talaga. Hindi ko kasi yan guys naayos. Hindi ko kasi siya natulog ako may ano yung buhok. Kaya ganyan. Anyway, hayaan nyo na yung buhok ko muna. And si Tony nag-ano siya ng barbecue sa labas. Hinugasan niya na yung kinalat niya dito kanina. Pero hindi niya lilinisin niya daw maya. Laksan niya yung mga barbecue. Tapos mag-mop ako ng floor bago kami mag-dinner para ma-dry yung floor at walang tao dito. Tapos mag-vacuum ako. Yan yung vacuum. Kaya nandyan pa rin yung vacuum guys. Kasi mag-vacuum pa ako. Hindi pa ako tapos. But malapit na konting push na lang Lela. Mag-holiday ka na. Rubbish out. I'll have the rubbish out as well. Nandito na yung mga rubbish na iba. Tapos yung under the sink. Kasi rubbish day. Tomorrow morning. Maaga yung rubbish dito guys. Like 7 o'clock in the morning. So nilalabas na siya ng Thursday night. Ngayon pala is Thursday. And ang tagal ko like I said guys, ano ba yan? Ang tagal ko guys nang walang video but meron tayong video tonight. So luckily nakapag-edit ako last night kahit napagod na ako. But ito kasi ito yung pinakamatagal kong walang upload but yeah, at least nakapag-edit tayo. And meron tayong vlog tonight. Mag-mop tayo ng floor na lang. You know, si Tony kaya pamapin natin ang floor, no? Kaso masakit yung likod niya guys. Naawa naman ako sa kanya. Pero wala siyang ginawa within like the 10-12 days na kuha. Nag-start siya, nag-help sa labas is kahapon lang. Let's mop the floor! Kaya mo yan, babe. Kakain na lang din kami sa labas para hindi na kami magkakalat at magluluto. Siya na daw yata kasi siya na yung kumuha. Sana naman. Ikaw na babe, kapoy is real. Mag-vacuum pa ako. Pero mamaya na guys, pag dry na lahat siya, ako mag-vacuum ng final vacuum. Anyway, tapon ang basura. Easy push. Huh?
Dry that, sitting there.
Yeah, it's okay. I just put it there. So that was the area that's not so clean. So the rest are very clean now. Because I already cleaned it. I washed it multiple times. So it won't be so hard. But then your feet. I think that as also there under that dining is the one I haven't done. Kasi the rest na wash ko naman na yung mga bathroom ganyan, tas doon na wash ko na din yung mga dyan. Yan lang yung area na hindi ko na wash. Tapos yung sa dito banda sa may treadmill. Pero ayan na. Hindi naman yan mahirap i-wash. Siya na yung nagtapos. Yan na lang yung last na gawain guys. Tapos na after that. Guys, nakalimutan ko kayo na nag-vlog pala ako nung kumain na kami sa Mongolian. Nakalimutan ko. And dito kami sa bahay ng
There's a light on outside.
ng bunso, ni bunso. Nag-drop kami ng key niya kasi niiwan niya yung key sa bahay. So, i-turn up namin yung Kenya kasi utusan namin siya bukas. So, yeah. Dito na kami. And alis na din kami. Iniwan lang namin kasi baka nagpapatulog ng bata. Ay, hindi. Hindi nagpapatulog ng bata. Tulog na yung mga bata for sure. But busog ako. As in. Tignan nyo yung sun, guys. Ang baba niya.
That's really quite cute.
Yeah. Ang ganda. Di nyo lang makita masyado sa menu ko, no?
Disappear behind the tree.
Ayan, yan. Ganyan siya. Diba? Bongga. Stop kami dito sa Small Drakes. Kasi, nakalimutan ko bumili ng lemon or lime. Para sa drinks. Alright. Bahay na tayo, guys. Siguro maliligo ako mamaya para bukas. Hindi na ako mag-quick wash na lang ako. Pero naligo din ako kagabi, guys. Pinasa ko din yung buhok ko. Pero ano, hay fever season dito. So, yung pollen allergy ko, masakit. Masakit yung eyes ko. Kasi naaano niya. Nirarab ko masyado yung eyes ko. Parang gusto mo na lang pumikit, guys. Ayaw mo dumilat kasi stingy yung eyes. Windy din today at saka mainit. Kaya siguro ano, high level yung ano, pollen today. Okay. Lagay ko lang to. Tapos mag-vacuum na ako ng floor. Yun lang naman yung gagawin ko na, mag-vacuum na lang. The rest is ready na for the morning. Siguro ilalabas ko na din yung susutin ko or his na damit para hindi na ako aligaga tomorrow ba. Pag may mga ganap ako, guys, masyado akong organized. Kasi ayoko nang aligaga. Yung ano, nagpapanik kasi pag nagpanik ako, mas lalong hindi ko alam yung gagawin ko. Pag natataranta na, yun. Hindi ko din alam, guys, kung i-vlog ko yung mga bisita natin, ano? Pero kasi wala naman masyadong ganap. I mean, madaming ganap, guys, pero mostly inuman at kainan lang. So, wala namang point yun i-vlog. Meron kaming family barbecues sa Saturday. Pero, ano kasi yun? Gusto ko i-preserve yung kanilang privacy na kumpleto sila. Kasi ang tagal nila naging hindi kumpleto. Like, yung mga anak nito, ni kumpleto lahat sila. So, yun. Parang, siguro, magkuha lang ako ng mga short videos na lang. Mga ganun siguro, guys. But anyway, hugasan ko lang to. Oh, good, babe? Bangon ng ano ko. Hugasan ko lang tong lababo kasi nga, inano siya ni Tony.
That's a clean.
Dinumihan siya ni Tony kanina. That's before. I'll show you the after later. All good, yeah? Then I wash this and then vacuum the floor.
Okay, I just wanted a wee before we left. I better get going.
What do you have?
Wee.
These?
My jacket?
Yeah, here. I'm just gonna put it away. Yeah.
Okay, you all happy now? Just to vacuum, that's it?
Yeah, just gonna do my vacuum.
I can't tell any difference. Looks exactly the same.
No, it's not. Not. Ow.
Socks. Socks.
What socks?
Need drying socks.
You got some in your basket. Okay, literal na malinis na guys yung bahay. Ayun na. Yung kalat ko, ilalagay ko yan mamaya kasi nag-edit pa ako. So, yung charger, puputaway ko na yan. But malinis na. Nakalimutan ko i-on yung Christmas lights ko. But, okay lang yan bukas na. But, yan. Na din yung kitchen. Malinis na din. Yes, malinis na lahat. Malinis na yung room dito. Napakita ko na kanina yung room guys. Wala namang bago dyan. Dalawang malinis na yan. Bathroom malinis na yan. Pati yung kwarto namin malinis na din. Sa doon malinis na din. Malinis na lahat. But yun na guys. Malinis na bahay. Yun na. Ang linis na ng bahay namin. But yun na guys. Salamat sa panonood. Good night. Beer.